Good afternoon, folks. This is Jeff. And my next report that I'm going to show you is the constantly rising stocks. Uh, Constantly rising stocks are exactly as the name implies. We do not concern ourselves with volume or RSI, but we do display it on this report. We are merely focused in stocks that have gone up yesterday or it's basically today. This report is produced at the end of every day. The stock has had to go up the last 3 days, it has to go up the last 5 days, and it has to go up the last 10 days. And the rate of acceleration is increasing, hence the term constantly rising stocks. So let's just click on it, and you'll find out. At least this report was produced on Saturday, actually produced on Sunday. So it went back and looked at uh, last Friday's data and prior days. And you can see one of the stocks we identified here was OOMA. So 10 days ago, it was up 5.53%. 5 days ago, it was up 6.44%. 3 days ago, it was up 6.94%. And then yesterday, it was up another 5%. So this is increasing, right? The same thing with LMAT. 10 days ago, it was up 1.78%. Then it was up 1.92. Then it was up 6.06 and went up again yesterday. And then HEI, which is a defense stock, was up 3.15% 10 days ago, then accelerated to 3.8, accelerated to 4.71, and was up a whopping 2.11%. Oh, and I love that because I own it. The other thing we tell you is that what the RSI is, right? Just so you know, right? Because sometimes if an RSI is like 20, you may not want to buy it. I typically tend toward stocks that are at least, at least 50 RSI, whether it's overbought or not. And if you're not familiar with overbought, that means it's an overbought position. Too many people have bought it, and there's going to be downward pressure to sell and take profits by people. And then we just show you the volume. But we only look at stocks that are over $5. There's no penny stocks in our database, right? So uh, this is a really handy tool. I use it all the time. I look at multiple reports every day, scanning for stocks that I want to purchase, maybe take starter positions in or avoid. Right. So I hope this helps, and we'll go on to our next video.